Good morning, everybody. Apparently we have a snow day today. This is how much snow we have like packed on outside. Look at that poor car, it's buried. My puppy is super bummed because we are pretty much just snowed in today. The plan for today was to go out and film a Taekwondo video, but apparently since I can't leave or drive anywhere, I'm just gonna be doing like a fun at-home training workout vlog. I'm not sure how many of you guys do this, but I've always heard you should start off each day accomplishing one thing, and that is making your bed. Bliss, do you love this bed? So I recently moved into this new apartment because... What's wrong? You want to talk in the video too? So like I was saying, I recently moved into this new apartment to be closer to school, and I was having like a lot of trouble sleeping the first few days, so I was looking into getting a new mattress, and I ended up getting this, it's called a half seat mattress, and it's organic. What I thought was like insane was it arrived at my house in like a box, and literally all I had to do was just like open the box. I had a friend help me just like cut it open, and then like before my eyes this like tiny box expands into this huge mattress. I've been getting lots better sleep, and sleep's really important to me because I try and do like 10,000 things a day. So if I don't get like good enough rest, then I have no energy to accomplish everything during the day. So if you guys want to check out the mattress, anyway, I'll leave that info linked in the description below if you want to check out the mattress. It is seriously awesome, super easy to set up, it's organic, and what's cool is they donate a portion of the sales over to helping the planet. I think Bliss just wants to get started on the workout now. So I'm sitting here editing this, and I can't believe this happened. Oh. Alright, so the next thing on my to-do list for today is basically just edit some video. At our studio the other day, we have some competition teams, and we had auditions for this new year for those wanting to join the competition team. Auditions were for Poomsae, for Sparring, and Extreme, which is our demo team. So right now I'm editing it, and I'll show you guys a little bit of what the actual auditions look like. Alright, so I'm pretty much just ending the video here for today. I'm probably just gonna do some cleaning the rest of the day, maybe be brave and take Bliss out on a walk in the cold, cold snow. What do you guys think about me vlogging on this channel? I used to have like a separate vlog channel for vlogs, but now I'm just like thinking if they have things to do with Taekwondo, I might as well just put them on the vlog channel. I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. I hope that you guys have an awesome week training, awesome week with just like everything in life. Be positive, be strong, go out there and get closer to your goals, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye! Bliss, can you say bye? Say bye. Say bye. Bliss, shake. What a good girl. Say bye, YouTube. Bye, YouTube.